Guys, computer unboxing, we're back. We're back like we never left. If you remember 2 years ago, we unboxed the original acronym RMTO1. I am the second most influential Chinese Canadian ever to step foot onto the interwebs. There's one bigger. We'll call him Big Boss. We'll call him the Big Boss. The Big Boss asked me, can I get a shipping address? The Big Boss asked me, the #1 Chinese influential Canadian. He said, I heard you're a gamer. I heard you're the best gamer in the GTA. He said, I heard you're the best gamer in Canada. He said, I heard you're one of the best designers in all of Toronto. Like motherfucking Sunday, let me send you something. Errolson heard that we got a Twitch stream. He heard that the Sunday community was the best motherfucking community on Twitch. And he said, shit, let me get this guy an acronym asus ROG laptop. He said it. He said it to me. He said, I heard the Sunday community was the best. Oh, baby, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's good shit. It was Acronym's first stint with Asus ROG. Boom, we got the second one, RMTO2. Hope you guys are excited. I've had this unit for about a month now. Been waiting to crack it open on camera for you folks. Capture my excitement, my enjoyment. I was involved in this project, so very happy to see it finally come to life. You'll probably see a vlog on the release party soon, but let's just get into it. Acronym RMTO2 unboxing, it's finally here. Let's get into it. So first thing you'll notice is that the box is dope. Graphics all done by Raf Rennie, super talented graphic designer. He's actually just moved back to Toronto. So him and I have gotten a chance to get to know each other a bit better. Got our trusty knife here, and let's just get into it. Slice, slice. This thing has been on ice for a minute. Finally. Okay, as we open here, boom, we got all the amazing parts. Hopefully I'll be able to get some B-roll. Da-da-da. Oh, baby, look at this. Already the packaging is super awesome, super tight. Wow, this is actually stunning to see. So cool to be on the other side of this project where I was actually witnessing all these things being made, but seeing it in person, seeing it actually in the physical world is something else. I'm gonna get some B-roll of this actually. Okay. Put this aside for now. First box, here we go. It says power supply. First box. How do we open it? Oh man. Check this out. Whoa. So dope. Oh man, it even comes with its own little crash dummy packaging that the last RMTO1 came with. Oh man, and then look at this. Look at this right here. Oh man, gorgeous. Can't wait to show you the B-roll on this. Put this aside for now. Boom. Amazing. All right. Second up, we got some of the accessories. Here, people. Of course, a big part of Acronym's ethos is functionality, wearability, practicality, if you will. Got the pouch. Oh, baby, we got the pouch. A lot of people are just using this for their own kind of personal, I don't know if this is actually meant to be a part of the computer or just kind of a bonus piece right here. But yeah, really dope pouch. Got the main graphic that we've all been calling the Xanax graphic, which is super dope. Got that there. Leave that, and oh, here we go. Here's the moneymaker. This is the strap, the famous strap that everyone's seen. That's a part of the machine. Attaches to you, attaches to the computer. Wow, look at that. The hardware, fantastic. Oh my God. Can't wait to put this all together. Wow, All right, that goes down. Ah, look at this, okay. So this cardboard piece right here was, I believe, to just hold everything in place. Man, this packaging is great. Shout out Raph, you did a great job. Oh, look at this. Oh man, look at all these. God, is it just me or do designers just love seeing logos lined up like that? This is super great. Can't wait to crack this guy. What is this? I believe this is the Stylus. Stylus is super cool. Yep, Stylus, got it, nailed it. What I do love about this piece that I noticed at the event is actually how you charge this is a little, I don't know if you guys can see that, I'll get some close up here, but you actually kind of release this middle bit and there's a USB-C here, so super, super dope. Put that aside. Oh, they even got some extra nibs and tips and stuff like that. I'm making sure to not throw away anything, making sure that I hold on to all the pieces because this project was very special to me and I want to remember it properly. Okay, that's done. All right, the pièce de résistance, the main computer right here, the moment that everyone's been waiting for, sold out within minutes. I don't know if it was minutes actually, it might have been hours, but sold out now. The acronym RMT02 and Jesus. Oh man, look at this. So we have the main graphic here, and then when you open this up, oh man, come on, RMT02, here we go. Got the same safety packaging as last time. Oh man, we're gonna take a look at some of the manuals after, but let's just get right into it, people. Here we go, ROG Flow Z17 acronym RMT02. What a beautiful piece. Oh man, this thing is heavy duty. This thing reeks of quality. God damn. Wow, okay. Wow, wow, wow. What an absolutely beautiful unit. Get some close-ups of the back here, but oh man, look at that. Look at that with the keyboard. Amazing color palette, fantastic screen. If you know the specs of this machine, there's a 4070 in here, a mobile 4070, which is in itself fantastic, has liquid cooling. I'm not gonna be doing a full spec review. I'm not gonna be doing performance reviews. That's not what this video is about. It's all about the design. It's all about the unboxing. And would you look at that? This gotta be the most beautiful piece of hardware I've seen in a very long time. Incredible stuff. Designed in collaboration with Raf Rennie on the graphics and some of the machining. And Phil Saunders, if you don't know who Phil Saunders is, he single-handedly saved the MCU because he was the artist, the brilliant mind behind Iron Man. And if you know Iron Man, the first one, Iron Man's suit of armor, I should say, it was what single-handedly launched the MCU into the monster it is now. So just some really lovely stuff here. Incredible machine. Congratulations to the team. I can't believe it's all over, but just a phenomenal piece. I can't wait to use this. Can't wait for everyone to check this out. If you were lucky enough to order one and get your hands on one, congratulations, because you do have a collector's piece. This is something phenomenal. Now look at that. We do have one more thing that I forgot to unbox as I put this away very carefully because it's lovely, because it's gorgeous. Putting it to the side here. Boom, one more box. What do we got? Let's see. This isn't something that was available to the public. This isn't something that you can buy, so don't fret, because it wasn't available to you. I think I'm opening it upside down. Glass hammer. Oh, and look at this. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Oh man, with the other pack. I'm loving these air packs, they're incredible. And right here, you got the Friends and Family keyboard. What do you guys like? The Friends and Family keyboard, the one that they launched with, the key color was a bit of a lime. This one is orange, obviously. So cool. Got the Brain logo on the B here. Incredible. All right, here the thing is with the strap on, looks so dope. Look at it, it's just so sweet. Lifted straight out of a sci-fi movie. So incredible. Oh man, look at this. Look at this fucking thing. Oh man, can't wait to try it on. Going full Nathan Fielder mode right here. Oh, shit popped out. How is this shit supposed to click in? I don't even know. How do they do it on the videos, man? Okay, this is supposed to go like this. This snaps back. It's pretty fucking cool. Boom. And on my side, my acronym jackets, you know what I'm saying? Come on! Not new to this. Dick protection, ass protection. Use it as a seat when you need a clean place to sit on. Come on. Not new to this shit. Acronym, RMTO2. So that was it. There's a lot more videos. There's a lot of other videos of people going over the specs, going over this bad boy in detail. This was just an unboxing. You've probably already seen the project if you follow me. If you've been following Acronym for a while, you've already seen way more on it. I just wanted to unbox this finally. It's been sitting in my room for over a month, been eagerly awaiting its chance to get some fresh air. I'm so happy that the project is finally out. Congratulations to the team, congratulations to Acronym, congratulations to Asus, and I can't wait to talk more about the project. It was a really, really exciting one, so you can expect me to be talking a little bit more about it. But in the meantime, just enjoy this laptop, enjoy it for the beautiful piece of work that it is, the beautiful industrial design object, and I'll catch you next time.